In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a social media feed in Weebly. If you've ever wanted to integrate your social media presence directly into your Weebly site, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right in and make your website more interactive and engaging. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Weebly website by searching Free Website Builder, build a free website or online store or Weebly in your web browser. Once you're there, navigate to the login page. You'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Weebly account, and then proceed by clicking on the Login button. This will bring you to your Weebly account dashboard. Now that we're logged in, it's time to get to the site you want to edit. Click on the Overview section to see a summary of your site. Here you'll find options to manage your website settings. From Overview, you should see a Website tab. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to a more in-depth view of your current site settings. Next, to make any changes, you'll need to click on Edit Site. It's located prominently and takes you straight to the Weebly website editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, look for the Edit button again, which might feel a bit repetitive, but it ensures you're working in the right place. With the editing interface open, focus on the left-hand sidebar and click on Build. This is the section where you can add new elements and content to your website. In the Build menu, you'll want to find the text element. Go ahead and add some text to your web page. This will serve as the introduction to your social media feed. After adding the text, search for the social media icons. Click and drag these social icons to the desired place on your page. Finding the ideal spot is key, as you want these icons to be easily visible for your audience. Once you have your icons positioned, click on them to bring up more options. Here you'll see the Manage Icons option. Select this to customize each specific social media feed you want to showcase. Let's start with Facebook. Click on the Facebook icon and you'll be prompted to enter the URL of your Facebook page. Simply copy and paste your Facebook URL here. This connects your site's social media icon to your actual Facebook page, allowing visitors to easily navigate there. Repeat this process for each social media platform you wish to integrate, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, or another platform. Clicking on each icon and pasting your specific URL will seamlessly connect them all. Once you've set each one up, your site will now have a fully functioning social media feed right from Weebly, and that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've not only enhanced your website's interactivity, but also boosted your digital presence by linking your social media channels directly on Weebly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.